Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create book read tracker. So let's say if you have a bunch of books that you have read and want to keep track of what you are reading, what you have read in the past or something like that. So first thing, we will just create a page and then add table as database. Next thing, we will add data source, which is going to be new database. Here I'm going to use book read tracker. Let's see, replace name with book name, right? So we will use book name, right? Then we have tags. I don't want to keep tags within this. If you want, you can add it based on the type of book you read. You can use tags. Next thing, we need a select option, which is going to be our status. So here option we can see, so reading, to read, then reading finished, right? Then pending, or you can say half read comes under pending, or not reading anymore, right? Something like that. You can keep on adding such status as it fits you, right? So these are some of the status for the books. Next we will use date, so we can count from where we started, so date started, right? And next would be for, let's say, date finished. So we have like these two options. Let's change the columns here. Finally, I can keep some notes for how I managed to read all these books. Let's see, I'm reading Power of Lords, right? Then status is reading, date started 5th, it is not finished yet, and book on politics or something, right? And you can also add one more column for codes that you like. You can keep track of all of that. You can also create a database under this, and that way you would manage multiple things related to this book read tracker, right? So like specific author that you have finished, you can keep log of that. You can keep track of your current set of books, all of that, and maintain that database as well. So these are some of the things that you can do with book read tracker in Notion.